it's Amanda with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you a beautiful blush and lipstick that I use. So this one is the ILIA multi-stick for lips and cheeks in the shade Dear Ruby. This beautiful blush comes in a stick and has a beautiful color, red. It has a creamy texture, so it's really easy to apply on my cheeks and also on my lips. To apply it on my cheeks, I like to apply using the stick and blend then with my fingers, so it's really easy to blend. I love that. Also, I love the pigmentation. Like my makeup look, it's always very natural, so I don't want to apply a lot. Since it has a lot of pigmentation and color, I like to apply just a little bit, and that's enough for me. Also, it fits in my purse and I can use it as a lipstick. So that's something that I really love. So if you're looking for a beautiful blush and a beautiful lipstick, you can have both things here in this stick. So I highly recommend it. I think this is one of the best blushes that I've bought so far. This is the ILIA multi-stick for lips, cheeks in the shade Dear Ruby. I love it so much. I use it a lot, and that's my point of view.